Beatrice, bring my money now. I will shoot you. I will shoot.
A spider is the two, mama and papa, man and woman.
What is the meaning of interdenomination?
You know, in is out. Inter will be outer. You go home and think about it. If a policeman stop you and you just tell him, I'm going to gigantically distort your medulla oblongata, I'm going to go collapse your brain, and I'm going to reform your axis number, they let you go.
Oh, is your oblongata gigantically deformed? I'm not on
She sounds sound beautiful, educative. She's everything now.
When you get home, last caveat on these books, and you will be happy.
This woman has nothing in her skull. Mba, you are more intelligent than her. Stick does not sharpen iron.
I told you, I'm coming from the city. I'm bringing city vibe. White and white.
What is it, self? What is it? What is it, self? You expect me to be with you? I go for class. Class.
Where is he? So I can't do anything.
This is suicidal. This is colossal. This is voluptuously voluptuous. This is huge. This is gigantic.
I am surprised at your turnaround because in your school days, you hardly pass.
I know that anytime somebody see signposts like this, there is job opening. What does this one say? What does the signboard say?
Make sure you're not posted in my classroom, because I will finish you. And if you get me around here, I will go straight to my headmaster office and tell him that you don't know book, that your head is blocked.
Don't insult me. Unless something is gigantically wrong with your medulla oblongata. And if something is wrong with it, I'm going to collapse your skull and reformat your number axis. I'm also going to sue you for trying to assault a mama.